PDA Parts presents the Blackberry Pearl 8100 Take Apart. Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. This video is copyright AX Microsolutions Inc. First, you're going to turn the unit over and remove the battery door. After you remove the battery door, remove the battery. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, you're going to release the bottom plastic. There are 4 tabs holding it in place, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Be careful, as the tabs can break. The plastic is a type of cover that fits on the bottom of the unit. You can see the tabs once it's released. Using a Torx screwdriver, there are 2 Torx screws on the front and 2 on the back that will need to be removed. With all 4 Torx removed, you can now use a case opener tool to remove the sides off of the Blackberry unit. With both sides removed, you will now be able to separate the front plastics from the rest of the body. You will now be able to remove the motherboard and screen from the plastic frame. Using a small flat screwdriver, there is a piece of tape that sits over the connector that connects the screen to the motherboard ribbon. You will need to remove that piece of tape in order to get to the ribbon connector. There is a plastic clamp on the connector that you'll need to lift up in order to free the ribbon cable between the motherboard and the screen. The screen is held to the motherboard with an adhesive. You will need to loosen the adhesive between the motherboard and the screen to free the screen. Be very careful as not to break the motherboard or the screen. There are 2 plastic pins that go through the motherboard that are part of the screen. After the adhesive has been loosened, you will now be able to remove the screen from the motherboard. Please be sure to visit us on the web at pdaparts.com.